the launch of the iPhone 6 has created a lot of buzz on the internet too. Let's look at some of the tweets that have been doing rounds on the internet. Okay, so Omar writes, iPhone 6 launch later tonight. In the morning, you will see people tweeting, it's okay, I just wait for iPhone 6, LOL. Richard Reddy writes, hashtag Destiny, hashtag iPhone 6, possible, hashtag iWatch, heck, I might even close off some bugs at work. Today's a good day to be a geek. Prashant writes, iPhone 6 in India may cost you 85,000. Send from my iPhone 6. Getting pretty damn excited for the, Glenn writes, getting pretty damn excited for the Apple event later today. My bank account, however, isn't. Apple event, Apple keynote, and Apple iPhone 6. Rob's right. Wonder what clever marketing at Apple will use to entice the sheep into buying the iPhone 6, which will be the same as previous models. Okay, looks like someone's not very impressed. The iPhone 6 will be the death of every smartphone. No other brand can compete with Apple. There are two types of people. Nikunj writes, there are two types of people. A, iPhone 6 आने वाले हैं, आते ही लेना है. B, iPhone 6 आने वाले हैं, iPhone 5 सस्ता हो जाएगा, वो लूँगा. Okay, clearly. So, can I have Abhishek online? Yeah, Abhishek, we were just going through some interesting tweets and some are saying that, that there's no phone like iPhone. Would you agree with that? You are an iPhone user, right?
Yeah. So I have been using an iPhone since the first generation came out.
Mm-hmm.
So I really like the overall simplicity which iOS provides.
Mm-hmm.
So for people who actually go for every other iPhone which gets launched every year, the reason is they are in love with the product, with the OS. A lot of people actually say that it is all about fan following. It is all about whether you would like to flaunt a new iPhone. For me and for many people out there who actually use Apple products, it is more about continuity. It is more about the kind of connected experience you have. It is more about the overall simplicity this interface has. So all this actually makes things much easier, especially for a normal consumer to use things. And this is the most popular platform when it comes to application.
Mm-hmm.
On whatever platform you go out there, either it is Android or Windows Phone,
Mm-hmm.
the maximum number of applications and the maximum number of developers who are happy with the kind of ecosystem Apple has is going to be iOS only.
Mm-hmm.
You won't find that much number of happy developers on Android or even on Windows Phone platform as of now. So this is a good platform, both on the software level for the developers and good platform both for the users as well to use. So all these things actually make this ecosystem pretty strong than any other ecosystem which exists as of now in the market.
Okay, thank you, Abhishek. Can I have Sudipto?
Yeah.
So Sudipto, do you think that Apple's going to launch the iPhone 6 tonight as, reported? Because there's been a lot of people are eagerly waiting.
As all the leaks and hypes, it's like totally confirmed that Apple is going to launch the new iPhone. And as a matter of fact, that we have also seen Sapphire, that Apple is purchasing a lot of Sapphire crystal. So maybe we can also see that Apple is also using the Sapphire crystal as their display, which is supposed to be scratch proof and all. So yeah, we will be seeing the iPhone, at least the 4.7 inch. I'm a bit skeptical about the 5.5 inches one though.
Mm-hmm.
But yes, we will be seeing the iPhone, the new iPhone 6.
So are you excited about the iPhone 6 launch? Sudipto, if you are still in school, right? So
yeah, I'm still in school.
Would you, convince your parents to buy you the new iPhone 6?
No, actually, as in terms of what Apple prices or Apple does their price tag with their new iPhones at the launch, they're like so much heavy in price that literally I just cannot convince my parents to afford me an iPhone.
Mm-hmm.
So definitely, if not today, maybe tomorrow, maybe after a month when it gets a bit cheaper, then I may be able to convince. That's a sort of an issue.
Can I have Sudipto then, please? Sorry, Devansh.
Yeah.
Devansh, what do you think? Do you think like iPhone 6 is expected to be 80K, Indian rupees. Don't you think that iPhone is like too, is it overpriced?
Yeah, definitely. But regarding overpriced, it's definitely not overpriced because the fans Apple have in all of the world, it's not at all overpriced. But as from a user's perspective, yes, it is a bit overpriced, and definitely Apple is going to launch the iPhone today, iPhone 6. It would be coming in the 4.7-inch variant. I don't think they will launch the 5.5-inch variant, but definitely they will launch the 4.7-inch variant.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Can I have Siddhant?
Yeah.
So Siddhant, the new craze is the water resistant. So many phones these days nowadays we see are being launched, but the thing is that these phones are all water resistant. Do you think that even iPhone 6 is going to be water resistant, or if not, then would you like it to be water resistant?
I don't think Apple is going to make it water resistant, to be frank on the way. Apple mainly concentrates on the design as well as the software per se. So they want the user experience to be much better, because that's how Apple fans are. So what I'm guessing is I don't think it's going to come with water resistant facility. Maybe there might be some improvements on the processor, probably on the RAM, or probably on the battery. But I don't think it's going to be water resistant per se. And I would actually least care about water thing, because I normally don't go out in water.
Okay, so Siddhant is least bothered whether iPhone 6 will be water resistant or not. But before I pose any further questions,